There's a point where you stop asking, can a tablet replace a laptop? And start asking, why am I still carrying this heavy laptop around? Because right now, some of these tablets aren't just catching up, they're quietly making your $1,500 MacBook look like a clunky relic from the Stone Age. I'm talking thinner, lighter, and in some cases, genuinely more powerful. So before you drop a paycheck on a traditional laptop, let's look at 5 tablets that might actually make you forget laptops even exist. Let's start with the one that feels like the safest bet, but still hits hard. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. This thing is ridiculous in the best way. You're getting a 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, 2960 by 1848 resolution, 120 Hz. That's not tablet good, that's straight up better than most laptop screens. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, built on a 3nm process, paired with 12GB RAM minimum. Translation? It flies. No hesitation, no lag, no drama. Storage starts at 256GB UFS 4.0. Goes up to 1TB faster than what a lot of mid-range laptops are using. But the real trick here is DeX mode. You plug this into a monitor, and suddenly, resizable windows, taskbar, file management, multitasking, it feels like a proper desktop setup. Yeah, you can't run full DeX on the tablet screen anymore, which is annoying. But once you connect it to a display, you stop missing your laptop real quick. Add quad speakers with Dolby Atmos, S Pen included, 2000 nits brightness, IP68 water resistance. This isn't just a tablet, it's a full workstation that just happens to be thin. Now, if you want something that feels like it came from the future, the Honor Magic Pad 4. This thing is 4.8mm thin. Not slim, not lightweight, absurdly thin. At 450 grams, it's lighter than some notebooks and thinner than most phones. But somehow, they still packed in a 12.3-inch OLED display at 165 Hz. That's the fastest refresh rate on any tablet right now. It's running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. With up to 16GB RAM, and honestly, you can throw anything at it. What makes it interesting is the PC mode. No external monitor needed. You just switch it on, and boom, desktop interface, floating windows, multitasking, file manager. It even has AI meeting transcription and writing tools that actually feel useful. And the audio? 8 speakers. Not 2, not 4, 8. It sounds better than some desktop setups, which is wild for something this thin. Battery is solid, 10,100 mAh, 66W fast charging, about 12 hours usage. The only catch? Accessories like the keyboard aren't included. But honestly, the core experience is already crazy. Now let's slow things down a bit, because not everyone wants power, some people want feel. The Huawei Mate Pad 12X. This one is different. It's got this paper matte display anti-glare coating that makes it feel like you're writing on actual paper. And I'm not exaggerating. It changes the whole experience. No reflections, no slippery glass feeling, just smooth, natural writing. The display is 12 inches IPS LCD, and yeah, colors aren't as punchy as OLED, but for note-taking, reading, sketching, it's perfect. It runs on the Kirin T92 processor with up to 12GB RAM. Not the most powerful, but more than enough for productivity. Pair it with the M Pencil Pro, and this becomes one of the best digital notebooks you can get. Battery? 10,100 mAh, 66W charging, easily 12+ hours. But let's be real, the downside is no Google services, no Play Store, no Gmail, no Drive out of the box. So if your life is inside Google Apps, this might frustrate you. But if you just want a clean, focused device for writing and creative work, this one hits different. Now, what if you want everything in one box? No extra spending, no buy this separately nonsense. The Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus. This one is practical. You get the keyboard, you get the stylus, right in the box. That alone already saves you like $200 to $300. Specs are solid too. 12.7-inch display, 2944 by 1840, 144 Hz refresh rate. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, with 16GB RAM standard. That's more RAM than a lot of laptops, by the way. Storage is UFS 4.0, up to 512GB. The keyboard actually feels good, proper key travel, responsive trackpad, not one of those flat, uncomfortable ones. And the built-in kickstand? Super underrated. You don't realize how useful it is until you use it. Audio is tuned by Harman Kardon, battery lasts around 11+ hours, and charging is 45W fast. Downside? Screen reflectivity is a bit high, and software updates are shorter than competitors. But if you just want a complete setup, ready to replace your laptop out of the box, this is the easiest recommendation. And finally, the one that doesn't even try to act like a tablet, the Microsoft Surface Pro 12-inch. This is basically a laptop, pretending to be a tablet. It runs full Windows 11 Pro, not a mobile version, not a simplified mode, the actual desktop OS. That means Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Visual Studio, AutoCAD, everything. It's powered by the Snapdragon X Plus, with a 45 TOPS NPU for AI features, and up to 24 GB RAM. This thing handles serious workloads. So here's the laptops aren't going anywhere. But tablets? They're not just for Netflix and note-taking anymore. They're becoming lighter, faster, and in some cases, more practical than laptops. So before you drop money on a bulky machine you'll struggle to carry around, take a second look at these. You might realize you don't actually need a laptop anymore. If you enjoyed this, hit like, it helps more than you think. And yeah, subscribe if you want more real, no fluff tech like this. I'll catch you in the next one.